Thank you, dog. Hi, Chuck. Good evening. Oh, we're friends. I'm from the Philippines. Hi, Joey. Thank you for following. Yeah, please do tap the screen, guys. Hi, Chuck. How's your Sunday, Chuck? Thank you, Ramat. Jackie Diaz, hello po. Magandang umaga. What did you do during your weekend, Chuck, if I may ask? Hello, Jackie Diaz. Hi, Nolski. Yeah, good morning. Hi, MJ. As you can see, I'm always single. I'm alone. Hi, West Indies from the Paris. Hindi na po ako umiinom, kuya. Hi, Mr. Nice guy from Saudi Arabia. Sure ka dyan, basti. Kakalive ko nga lang. Thank you, Marlon. Hindi po ako bagay, kuya, na hinihingi. Hindi niyo po ako mama, kuya. Ah, shucks. Hello po, good morning. Hi, good morning. Thank you po. Hi, good evening. Hi, Carlo Mercy from Qatar. Hi, good morning po. Thank you, West Indies. Nag-out po ako kanina. Kakabalik ko lang po, kuya. Thank you so much, West Indies. Thank you, Jeremy and West Indies. Why are you confused? Okay.
Wala lang din.
Kahit ano sa amin. Hi, Jeremy. Hello po. Good morning. Hi, Roland from Taytay, Rizal. Hello, okay lang po ako. Kayo po. Hi, good morning. Oh my God, Big Chief, finally! After a long, long time. How are you, Big Chief? 28 na po ako, kuya. I know better than that po. Magto-29 na next month. So, I know better than that, kuya. It's so good to see you here, Big Chief. Sa Cebu Province po. Yeah, I'm so happy to see you here, Big Chief. Ay, sa kapitbahay po namin yan, kuya. Hi, Big Chief. I'm so happy that finally you came on my live after a long time. Yeah. Oh, you also work at during Sundays, Big Chief. Di po ako nag-EML, kuya. Masarap po, pero sa kapitbahay po namin yan. Kaya wala rin. Kung marami po, bakit po wala akong nakita? Hopefully you'll have a great day at work, Big Chief. So happy to see you here. Yes, pure Filipina. Sino pong Bianca? Wala pong Bianca dito. Hi, Sloan. Good evening or good morning. And yeah, please do help me achieve my gift goal, everyone. Ako taga Cebu Province po. Thank you, Big Chief. Until next time. Have a great day at work. Hello po, good morning.